What's up, everybody? It is race day here at WW Ranch. Got the practice in yesterday. 15 minutes, but it was enough to learn the track. I was a little worried about that, but yeah, we're feeling good. Watched the GoPro, know a few places where I can hold on to the gas a little longer. And yeah, got one practice today, one moto. We're ready to go to the riders meeting right now. We'll see what that's all about. Feel like a pro guy for the day, so we'll go into today open mind. My goal sounds like a terrible goal, but it's to beat at least 5 guys. So we'll try to make that happen, and then I'll be satisfied, go home safe, and have an experience to talk about in 10 years from now. So.
Now we have first triangle, square, a square.
Alright, we just got unloaded next to the Oakley rig over here. Getting the fresh graphics on. What do you think of those, Brian?
Hey, it's pretty cool.
They look pretty good.
We're big time. We're with the big teams.
We're almost big time. Big shout out to Mike here for getting those done for us. So Mike, what is MX125 Revive?
MX125 Revive. Hey, yeah, it's been a year-long mission trying to kind of network 125cc riders around the world, trying to get a movement going along with the AMA to get 125 races more built into programs.
Cool. So kind of like what we're doing today. And
Yep. With the All-Star race, it's we're commending AMA for putting on the 125 two-stroke race. It's really an awesome opportunity. We got experienced riders and new riders coming in to ride to keep the two-stroke alive.
And it's action-packed.
Yep. You got Brian Rivers Racing on there. Yeah. Rail Squad City. Now, what's Rail Squad City?
Rail Squad City is a networking group for riders all around the country. So if you get with Rail Squad, you can just go on Facebook, get on Rail Squad City, and then you can network with other riders if you want to go riding together. At local tracks, you don't want to ride alone. You don't know anybody in that town, you get together with them and you can network and go riding.
Awesome. Yeah. Well, hey, man, I appreciate the support this week and everything that you've got done for me so far.
We're rooting for you, buddy.
Garbage.
up, everybody? Coming to you live from the drive home from the airport. Had some time to sit and watch the GoPro footage, and yeah, bogged pretty hard off the start. As the day got hotter, the bike started bogging a little more with jetting and stuff like that, but I didn't really want to mess with anything like that in the middle of race day, just in case something went the wrong way, and whatever. We weren't there to win, we were there to have fun. I ended up 14th. I beat 5 guys, that was my goal. Got beat by a girl, but whatever. Huge shout out to my Uncle Mike, my dad, Mike with MX125 Revive, and biggest thank you of all to Brian Rivers for letting us come down and ride his bike and letting us do whatever we want with it, as far as you know, suspension, handlebars, stuff like that. That was awesome, and I really, really appreciate it. So all in all, had a great time. It was cool riding some of the lines that the pro guys put in. It's amazing how much different the bumps are and little things like that than a local race. So I can take that experience with me, and next year I'd like to do it again and maybe have a little more preparation into it and figure out how to ride a 125 better. But yeah, if you've made it this far in this video, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. You know, let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel for some more things that I think are cool, and we'll go from there, man. Appreciate it, guys. Take it easy.